Hi, this is DJB, yet again joining you with a new concept. Today I'm going to talk about one of my group companies, Advait Hygienics. We started basically research and development in the year of 2006. We traveled along. In the year of 2011, we started doing a research and development using silver 100% nanoparticle. By then, we could not be able to explore the potentiality of this particular chemical for industrial use. We basically has given a thought of using this silver 100% nanoparticle for various industrial uses. Surprisingly, as the days got forwarded, this silver 100% nanoparticle started giving us a support in manufacturing personal health and hygiene products. Today we are one among the manufacturer of personal health and hygiene products in India. Started with 2 to 3 products, now lined up with 30 products. These products will be the trendsetter in a short span of time. People will look up to us and follow us nationally and internationally. As I told you earlier, we have young, energetic team with us who does a lot of research and development. We do a lot of trials, animal trials, clinical trials, human trials, and based on the ethical committee approval, we bring it out as a product. These products, when it is getting introduced in market, is already certified. You can take it granted what we introduce from the group of JBNAG will be good. Top echelons in business who used our services in water and wastewater industry or our existing customers for our silver nanoparticle based products also. These products are many. Our Dr. Bhuvaneshwari will shortly explain you about our products. Our Dr. Bhuvaneshwari is our Ayurvedic Acharya who has a passion to do clinical trial, all application oriented, and much more interest in doing research and development. She is one of our luckiest doctor in our group, where many of my customers during this pandemic situation got the consultation from our Dr. Bhuvneshwari. She is simple but works a lot. She has a good creativity and an application mind. We have not only Dr. Bhuvneshwari, many people, scientists, B.Pharm people, pharmacists, microbiologists, scientists, scholars, consultants, advisors playing role in our group of companies to support this organization to deliver a good product from India and export the same around the globe. We started doing the research in silver nanoparticle in the year of 2011 and used this as an applicator in various industries, which includes paper, sugar, distillery, automobile, electronic, all these industries, swimming pools, which has given us good results. As everyone is aware that silver by nature is an anti-inflammatory, antipyretic and antiseptic and goes on. It is antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral. If we use silver as such, will not spread, but in form of nano, it spreads in a huge area at a lower dosages. Certainly, to give a good product of non-alcoholic nature, we put a lot of effort to introduce this product during this pandemic situation. Yes, we manufacture silver 100% nanoparticle based aqueous sanitizers. This is non-alcoholic, suitable for any skin. Your hands will become soft. It promotes faster healing at a very lower dosages. It gives a higher log reduction of microbial contents when compared with alcohol. When it comes to silver, it gives a minimum of 10 to the power of 8 and it goes on. Silver by nature gives you long protection. Silver by nature is a very safe material to use. We use silver plates in our home for eating. We use silver tumblers, silver lamps, which gives positive radiation, which emits positivity, which gives positivity. When you enter a Hindu temple, they use predominantly silver based vessels. which gives a positivity. It transmits a good vibration to us. And what is stored in silver container will not that much easily become rotten. That is why silver always be the best. When we choose using silver 100% nanoparticle based products, now you can imagine. If you are using alcohol based sanitizers which are available in the market and as referred by International Society of Doctors, we agree it is safe, it gives protection, but when you choose good, better, best, silver is the best. Alcohol is good. Choose yourself. You want good or best. If you use alcohol based sanitizers, not safe for children. Don't go near gas stoves after using sanitizers, alcohol based sanitizers. Don't go near any heating surface. If you use aqueous based Indian formulations which are non-alcoholic, best in nature, it serves a purpose. It mitigates the bacteria, the viral, the fungal to a greater extent. 99.99% protection we ensure. We have certifications. We have clinical trial. We have human trial. We have animal trial. All these certifications with us. When you believe all these certificates, trust me, these are all highly safe for any human being who has any type of skin, either it is oily skin or a wet skin or a dry skin, any skin. We have dermatological certificates for our products. As a founder, you may feel I am marketing my product. No, we have testimonies of many people, various ages, either it is male or female, animal. We give only the good product. We give only the best product. Shortly I will join you. Till then, bye. DJB.